Hello! What do we have here? A small egg? A medium egg? And a large egg? Let's see what's inside the small egg first. Surprise! Hey, what is this? It's a little kitty. Oh, hey, little buddy. I like your stripes. Cool. Now, what's in the medium egg? Surprise! What is this? Huh? Let's see if we can put this together. Put this there. I'll put the legs there. And I think it stands on here. There we go. Oh, it's a little Barbie. Hi. Cool. Now, what's in this large egg? Surprise! Hey! It's a Kinder Surprise egg! Ooh, it's a Dora the Explorer Kinder Surprise egg. Let's take this off. Surprise! What is this? Oh, it's a little keychain. It's Swiper. Hi, Swiper. Oh, your little head moves. Wow, that's neat. Look at our little surprises. That was fun. Well, thank you for playing. Don't forget to subscribe for some more videos. Click the bell. Bye-bye.